Hello traders, what's going on today? Yesterday we shared analysis and as we explained all the reasons gold should at least go down to take out this low. Now that same yesterday we shared this analysis, and later on we shared this trading setup, which I explained to you people the reason why gold need to take out this and come at least to this particular place, filling this fair value gap before coming to the downside. And that is exactly what gold just did. Now let's go back to the charts. Now, okay, let's take out this first. Now, when we look at this, we see or we discover that gold has been moving to the up direction, showing us the strength of buyers moving to the upside. But remember, from what we saw yesterday, let's go to daily charts. We discovered that this market has been going up for some time without any good retracement. We all remember or we all know that once a resistance is broken, it turns to be what? Support, or it will be retested before continuation to the upside, and we are yet to see that. So we were expecting this market to come down. Now, going to 4 hours, then yesterday, we also explained to you people why we should be looking for a down movement. I explained to you people the when you look at this 4 hour chart, you will discover that once market go to the upside, it comes down without going below the low. Remember, we have when we look at the markets, we expect the market to be going up to this direction, right? What we don't want to see is market closing below this. We could see something like this, which is still okay for trending markets, but we don't something like this moving continuation to the upside, but we don't want it to close or go below this. So that's what you have to what understand. Now, looking at this, you will discover that whenever the market creates a new high, it will create a low without going below the previous low. The same thing kept happening here, went up, created this, it didn't go below this in the previous low. Then, but something happened at this particular place. This created this, went down without going below this and created this. Then remember, we don't want to see it go below this, but what happened? It went below this, showing weakness in buyer's strength and showing us change of what? Direction. Now, going down to 1 hour, we now discovered same yesterday the reason why this is now currently happening. As you can see, now created a new higher high going above this, now going down, taking out this low after sweeping this internal liquidity. Now, let's bring out our analysis pack. Now, after explaining all these things, we now move down to lower time frame, explaining where this change of character happened, why this is fake breakout. I will advise you go back to the previous video, you will understand better. And explaining why this needed to be taken out and it has been taken out, why this also need to be taken out and it has been taken out, that we should be expecting this market to tap into this powerful order block here and continue to downside, giving us at least 2 to 3 risk reward, because successful trading lies majorly on risk management. Subsequently, I'll be making videos on that. So now when I shared this analysis, and I also told you people to also be looking at the market for change of direction from this particular place, that the market might not get to this place before moving to the downside. Now, the markets, we were waiting, and we now started seeing shift of trend on 5 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes. Now, remember yesterday, I explained to you people that the only thing that you have to be looking for is when there is a break of structure, you should be looking for now internal liquidity to be swept before looking for another what? Opportunity. Now, remember, this market was trending internally, trending. Now, remember the law. Once market creates any high, come down, create another high, come down. We don't want to see it go below this. Remember, once it gets to below it, what we should be expecting is something like this. So what happened? When you look at this place, you will discover that this market here, this low, created a high at this particular place, created a high at this particular place. Now, this high created another low, this particular place. And this low created another high here, right? Now, this high took this internal structural liquidity, internal low, but what we don't want to see happening here is market going below this low, right? Now, this market went, and here the market went below this. This marked my change of what? Character. Now, where do you expect this market to come back to? Coming back to the 3 minutes structure created here, which we are not going to look at, then we opened our order at this particular place, leaving our stop loss here and targeting this, which we caught about 71 risk reward yesterday. Okay, we left it here. Now, we allow 8.1 risk reward, we entered here. It was exactly 7:1 risk reward. We entered at this particular place. Now, the market started moving and we have already hit our profit. So, this shows you how powerful technical analysis is and how you could use it to maximize chance of winning in the market. Then what's the next big move? Now we have taken out this low. Remember, the direction of the market has changed temporarily and we have taken out this. Now we are going to check and watch and see if the markets will come exactly to this particular what? Order block. Now, if market comes to this order block, we could be looking for another down movement. The market could decide to continue moving down from this place. Why? Because it has taken this internal liquidity at this particular place. This internal liquidity here, which the market could continue going down, or it could decide to go and also take out this internal what? Liquidity, resting above the first liquidity and resting below the order block. So you have to be watching and I will update you people again based on the next movement we should be what? Expecting. If you watched the analysis yesterday, you can now observe or see how powerful technical analysis could be. I'll be sharing some more gold setup on this platform. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever that I drop it, you will get a notification so that it could help you to maximize your chance of winning in Forex trading. So feel free to comment, share, like. It will encourage us to make more of this and create free analysis, market insights, and trading setup. Have a wonderful day, traders.